Welcome back to This Review Production. This is Chin Lin and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode, I'm gonna show how I create CG artwork. What is CG artwork? CG artwork in design industry means cinematic graphic. Cinematic graphic usually is a picture that is generated by artists that looks super realistic and persuasive before the pre-production is made. Usually we do this to show our client or director, and so they get the idea of how the final image will look like or the final film will look like. So it will save a lot of time and also money. So the tools to generate CG artwork ranges from 3ds Max, Maya, Model, and even ZBrush. So ZBrush will be the main tool that we will use today to create our CG artwork. And this is the image, well, the character or illustration that I created for my previous episode, and it's from Among Us, the Red Players. And so if you haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out. So before we start, like and subscribe, and let's have fun and let's jump right in. welcome back, and I hope you enjoy watching the process. So this character or this CG artwork is created from zero to final, and the whole thing took me about 3.5 hours and took me about 1 more hour to compose everything together. And I skipped that part because that part is a little bit boring, a little bit complex. So if you're interested about that, comment down below, let me know. And depending how many people are interested, I'll definitely do a video process of that in the near future. And a little bit about ZBrush is a tool that's used by many artists in the world right now, and it is considered one of the best software in the industrial design. So in this channel, I'm gonna cover a lot more ZBrush and also 3D sculpting. And for my next episode will be 3D printing. So I hope nothing goes wrong, and stay tuned for that. So is this guy the imposter? Maybe, but definitely imposter version is coming soon. So stay tuned for that. And that's it. So before we go, thank you, like and subscribe. Until next time, Chen Lin signing out.